This 2026 Keystone Cougar 360 MBI is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, water heater, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Cougar 360 MBI is 12,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.